Okay, so I'm Rachel,
And I'm Anjali.
and we created a game called Soccer Tilt. So, basically what Soccer Tilt is basically a soccer game. It's self-explanatory, so you try to tilt to score.
So we had two modes, we had regular mode and challenge mode, and in both of them they have the same idea where you are in control of the ball and you tilt, and you want to score a goal, which is the red rectangle at the top of the screen. But in regular mode, what you do is you have 10 rounds, and when you score a goal, you get 1 point. But if you hit one of the players which are moving back and forth on the screen, the CPU scores a point, and so it keeps track of points, and whoever has the higher score wins. But in challenge mode, the main difference is that the players move towards the ball, so they're chasing you, and after each level you have one more player which is also faster than the last player. So like I said before, there's regular challenge mode, there's also the instructions and the main menu, and the basic thing our app was on was the orientation sensor, which was used to tilt the screen or tilt the ball.
And then here at the bottom, you just score and CPU score. And this is our team mode. So we see the player who's tracking the ball. And then they keep on adding more players. And notice that the song is called We Are One. Okay, so here's some sample code. So here, this is from the regular mode. So this is basically the central part of what our game was about, and it was also one of the most hardest. So this is what happens when the goal collides with the ball. So it basically means when you score. So here, what it's supposed to do is when it scores, it checks if the round is greater than or equal to 10. Because what that does is then it will open up a screen based on your score and the CPU score. It'll open up either you win, lose, or tie. And then if it's not greater than 10, then you would add the score and also add the round, and then set that to the labels. So this was challenging because we also had another method or block that was kind of like this. It was where if the ball collides with the player. So what happened was we kept on calling both methods at the same time, even though that we weren't colliding with both, or we were only colliding with the player. So we finally got it to work because we changed it to if get other is equal to ball. So that means that the goal and the ball are
Okay, so basically in version 2.0 we fixed the bugs. Like in the main mode, we didn't like how it wasn't naturally moving the players back and forth. And so we would like want to make that move better, I guess. And we'd also want to make it more random because you kind of knew what was going to happen the entire time. We'd also want to have like a gap between each round because right away the round started, so if you weren't ready, you'd just like start moving. We'd also add like more modes, like we got an arcade mode where the user is the goalie and you tilt the screen to move the goalie to block the ball. And we also want to simplify the code because a lot of the times we felt we were repeating the same code and like copy and pasting a lot. So it'd be easier if we used a procedure and just call the procedure every time.
Okay, so challenges. Here's so one of the main parts of our challenges. So we thought at first it would be really easy to code this because basically what it is you just tilt and then you'll have to add in the collision factors. But one thing that we spent like 2 hours working on was trying to get the players move from one end, like move from side to side. So we, after 5 tries, we finally got it to work. So this is the code. So what it is it's a timer, and then each image sprite, which are the players, they have a specific speed. So what happens is when the timer goes off, the direction's gonna change the other way, so it'll just go back and forth. Also, a big problem was lag. So when we tried to test it out on the phone, it wouldn't really work because it would take forever for the buttons to load and the screens to load. And then also, like the sample code, we tried to get parameters for collisions. So when the ball collides with anything, it couldn't be anything. It had to be a specific, either the player or the goal. And then also the glitches with programming, because the graphics, we couldn't get it to, it would work on the computer, but then we couldn't get it to work on the actual phone, but we finally